Well, she is. Well, good Monday afternoon to y'all. Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. It's about 4:30. Just got back here. Looks like I'm gonna get started on shining this thing up tonight. The hood and the cab did not get waxed last year, so I'm gonna start with that, I think, and go from there. It's 7:45. The cab is done, completely waxed. This side of the truck, from about right there up all the way down, is done above the slide. Top aluminum has been polished, so it's shining again. Making progress. I won't be here tomorrow night, but Doug's gonna work from probably the windows down, try and get all that done. And then Thursday night I'll get the windows up, probably the back done, and maybe a good start on the other side. She's a big girl. A lot of elbow grease goes in this thing, keeping it clean and looking nice. Dual night at Daytona. It's Thursday the 12th. We are hoping to get this side of the truck and the back finished tonight. Doug's working on the bottom, and I've got wax drying up there. And we'll swap positions here in a minute. He'll leapfrog in front of me, and I'll get the back done.
Think we need that charger on some more?
No.
It's good?
Yeah. Turned it around. It's supposed to rain pretty good Saturday, so we went ahead and flipped it around tonight, so didn't have to get wet turning it around Saturday. About done with this thing. Well, it's Saturday morning, about 10 o'clock. We're gonna get this side finished. Got our little helper with us today. Get this side waxed, and the outside will be done. Got a few things to do on the inside, and she'll be finished up. Are you excited? Yeah. Yeah? Cover's coming off the door panel, so Doug's tucking it back in. See if that'll work. It probably needs glue.
Yeah. I think this panel comes off. You know, around this.
Yeah, at some point it would have to.
Because it's separate. Yes.
Yeah.
And I think it'd be easier to take it off and glue it and put it on. You see what I'm saying? Kind of curl it.
Yeah.
Do it right and kind of.
So the only thing we got left to do is that stainless piece there and the visor. Everything else is done. It's looking good. Be looking good rolling down the road.
Hey, Jay.
From there over's been done. There, this way has not. Definitely looks a lot better. Nicholas did something to the bumper with our little helper. Bonk! What'd you do? You fall? I'm gonna wheel that thing over here, see if I can finagle it in where I can get that. And this thing is done. Well, she is done. All the polishing, waxing's done. She's looking good.
What was that? Motorboat.
Ready to rock for another year. And of course, we just keep finding stuff we want to do. I think Monday night's project is going to be strip this 2 little sections down and do it like we did the trailer floor. Makes it a lot easier to keep clean, and it'll look nice walking in the back door. Update on the car. It is not done. They were leaving tomorrow to go get it. Called yesterday, being Friday, and said they need one more day to get it done. So they are leaving Wednesday afternoon to pick it up first thing Thursday morning and come back. But we'll have a car next week, hopefully. Hey, are you ready to go?
No.
Can you tell them bye?
Bye-bye.
Hey, tell these guys bye.
Bye.
That's going to do it for this one. We will catch you all later. Be a short week next week. Doug's on vacation Tuesday and Wednesday, and I got the kids Thursday, so just be out here Monday and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Be sure to click on that bell so you get the notifications.